This is Z66 or Zaka, your underpaid, underinsured, and undertrained mechanic. And today we're going to be working on a 2008 Buick Enclave that has a leaky sunroof. I'm going to show you some of the water damage and we'll go through the repair. Alright, so we're in the passenger and you can already see the water damage right up here because this is where the drain is. And right in there you can see some of the water damage that has leaked in. And the carpet's a little damp. I just cleaned this car up yesterday, so it's not as bad as it was, but yeah. Let me go to the other side and I'll show you it. See here, we can see more signs of water damage. It's not leaking so bad on this side, and the carpet isn't wet. The leak is much worse over there, but we're gonna get to that in a second. Right in there is the drain hole, but you can see the standing water from the not draining at all. That was the driver's side. And the passenger, I got the light shining on it, but you can see standing water. So, it's a real simple fix here. You just get some compressed air, shoot it down there, and hopefully it starts draining. Alright, let's see how we do. That was a terrible decision. But hey, we're draining it, and I'm only kind of soaked. Alright, let's do this again. Hopefully not soak my camera so much. Yep, and we got water moving. Alright everyone, well that worked perfectly. I'll show you where it's supposed to drain in just a second. But just apparently watch out for flowing water because those are really backed up on this vehicle. They went everywhere. And I'll show you the next part. Next part I'm going to do is verification of repair. And how I'm doing that is I'm just pouring water up here on the black rain catcher. And I'm going to go around and show you it draining. So just give me a moment because I can't do this one-handed. There's it draining on the driver's side. Perfect. There's it draining on the passenger side. Perfect. Alright everyone, I hope this repair helps you. If you've got any questions, feel free to put them at the bottom. You'll probably see some more videos of this vehicle in the future. But as always, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, give me some of that YouTube money. Share it to your friends because these Oakleys are not going to pay for themselves. And as always, it's Z66 or Zaka. You're underpaid, underinsured, and undertrained mechanic. Thank you very much. You have a good day.